got so much snow that they're running out of places to put it. Public works crews had to use caterpillars to attack mountains of the white stuff that block city streets, filling up truck after truck.
Actually, I'm standing in front of the indoor soccer arena every day, and usually it's packed with people playing soccer, and I'm trying to get him to, it's closed today because of the weather, but I don't know who's going to see this, but we've here in Atlanta, we've caught snow basically since Tuesday. And you know, everybody says, oh, people in Atlanta don't know how to drive in snow. No, it's that people don't know how to drive in ice, and there's a big difference, and that's why everything shuts down, because 2 weeks ago when this happened, everybody still went to work, everybody still went to school, and it was a big mess because all the people got stuck on the interstates trying to go home at the same time. Thankfully, this time, everybody stayed home, so it wasn't that big a deal. And for this is about as much snow as we get. We got, you get a couple inches, but the thing about it is, this is mostly ice. It looks like snow, but it's not really snow. There was a little layer of snow that fell last night, but a friend of mine up in Iowa calls it snow hush, meaning when it snows, it's all quiet, because it's actually pretty. You know, especially if you're not used to snow much like I am. Here in Atlanta, we get snow maybe 2 times a year. So we've already had our quota. So if Mother Nature's listening,
Well, if there's one thing Mother Nature always seems to teach us this time of year, it's that it's nice to know we're all in the same boat, even if it is under 2 feet of snow.